In Louisiana, a silent battle rages, causing an estimated $91 million in damage each year. Wild hogs are not only destroying crops, but also digging up and eroding critical levees that protect the region. Due to their rapid reproduction, controlling at least 70% of the population annually is essential. Otherwise, vast areas risk being submerged under floodwaters. Today, with authorization from the Louisiana Department of Wildlife and Fisheries, a specialized hunting team conducts a mission to safeguard the land. Unlike hunts across open plains or rolling hills, the swamp presents unique challenges. Dense vegetation, waterlogged terrain, and narrow channels create ideal hiding spots for these destructive animals. The team moves into the heart of the swamp aboard an airboat, gliding through tall reeds and fallen trees. Suddenly, two wild hogs burst from the underbrush. Coordinated shots are fired, and one of the animals falls, demonstrating the precision required in such a fast-paced environment. Across the swamp, additional hogs feed on strategically placed bait, unaware that hunters are prepared. When the moment arrives, a single, well-aimed shot neutralizes one of the boars, ensuring the safety of the crops. Hunting dogs play a crucial role, tracking hidden targets and forcing them into positions where they can be safely and effectively neutralized. Through coordinated teamwork, hunters prevent the boars from escaping and protect both farmland and local ecosystems. By midday, the team leaves the swamp to focus on rice fields, where economic damage is most severe. Here, every movement and every shot counts. Vehicles race across the fields to keep pace with fleeing hogs. Sharpshooters take carefully calculated shots, ensuring accuracy while minimizing risk. In one instance, a boar running through dry grass is brought down after a rapid sequence of precise shots, demonstrating the importance of reflexes, experience, and timing in controlling the population. As night falls, silence returns to the land, a temporary reprieve earned through careful planning and diligent action. Each shot taken during the day serves a larger purpose, protecting crops, levees, and the livelihoods of local families. The hunted wild hogs also provide resources for processing plants, supporting the community in multiple ways. In Louisiana, maintaining peace requires daily vigilance. The wild hog's intelligence and ability to navigate treacherous terrain challenge even seasoned hunters, demanding meticulous preparation, patience, and precision. Through strategic ambushes, careful observation, and coordinated efforts, hunters work to mitigate the impact of these destructive animals and restore balance to both agricultural and natural environments. A perfect ambush in the dense forest demonstrates this approach. The hunting team, positioned in pre-designated locations, observes every movement, ready to respond swiftly and effectively to any emerging threat. A herd of wild boars suddenly enters the line of sight. A rapid series of shots takes down the two largest animals, while the rest scatter quickly into the dense forest. The hunting team immediately prepares for the next pursuit, aiming to prevent any boars from escaping and causing further damage. Deeper into the forest, the silhouette of a panicked wild boar is observed moving frantically through the underbrush. Aligning the aim with the animal's path, a single precise shot strikes its target, collapsing the boar before it can escape. This decisive strike neutralizes another threat, maintaining the safety of the surrounding land. At another location, the chase reaches a critical point. Two wild boars charge toward a concealed hunter, who swiftly assumes a ready stance. A carefully aimed shot takes down one boar instantly. To prevent the second from fleeing, a coordinated signal prompts a blockade further down the slope. Within a minute, another shot confirms the final threat has been neutralized, ending the immediate destruction caused by the herd. Attention then shifts to a heavily wooded hillside, where additional boars are hiding. A separate hunting team arrives early, establishing a tight encirclement to ensure none can escape. Moments later, a shot from an elevated position strikes a boar as it emerges from the thick brush, collapsing it immediately. Simultaneously, another wild boar appears in the line of sight of a different hunter. A rapid volley of gunfire halts its charge, illustrating the precision and coordination required to secure the area. These decisive actions prevent further damage and maintain the safety of farmland and forest ecosystems. On the hillside, the team prepares for subsequent confrontations. Hunters occupy blockade positions, carefully monitoring the thick underbrush. Despite the boar's agility and attempts to escape through the dense vegetation, the hunters' experience and strategic positioning allow them to cut off all exit routes. The wild boar population continues to surge, reproducing at alarming rates each year. Unchecked, these animals pose a serious threat to agriculture and local communities. As a result, controlled hunting has become an essential tool for population management and protection of human habitats. At the designated hunting location, a wild boar charges along a pre-calculated route. Hunters maintain readiness and precision, and a single well-placed shot collapses the animal instantly. Similar ambushes unfold nearby, each executed with exact timing and care to neutralize the boars efficiently. Tension remains high as hunters track warning signals and respond quickly to movement. Within minutes, additional boars are located and removed from the area. These carefully coordinated efforts reflect the broader struggle to manage the wild boar population, safeguard farmland, and protect both human and ecological communities. The frantic barking of hunting dogs signaled the presence of a massive wild boar. Surrounded tightly by the dogs, the beast lunged forward, but a precise shot brought it down before it could strike. Years of skill and careful preparation ensured the hunter neutralized the threat safely. The search continued, moving through dense thickets toward areas identified by tracking signals. As each wild boar came into view, rapid and accurate gunfire halted its movement, further demonstrating the efficiency of strategic hunting techniques. Each fallen animal reflected the careful planning and skill required to manage these populations safely and effectively. At another position, a different hunter assumed a strategic firing point. A swift, accurate shot removed another threat lurking deep within the wilderness, underscoring the importance of patience, positioning, and precision in these operations. Wild boars have become a significant ecological and agricultural challenge in regions such as New South Wales, Australia. Their population has reached an estimated 6 million, causing tens of millions of dollars in annual damage. This rapid growth has necessitated government action and the deployment of skilled hunting teams to control the population and protect farmland. At dawn, a hunting team deployed toward designated target zones in the fields. Vehicles moved with precision over fresh tracks and terrain, following signs of movement. When a wild boar bolted across open land, a coordinated pursuit allowed the hunter to align the shot accurately. A single well-placed strike brought down the first animal of the day, marking a controlled start to the operation. The team then advanced to the next field, quickly taking ambush positions. A boar charging from the field toward forested areas was neutralized before reaching cover. Each precise strike reduced the potential for crop damage and ensured safety for nearby farmland. As the day progressed under a scorching sun, hunters maintained vigilance. Careful observation of the corn rows allowed for precise targeting. A wild boar stepping into the open was immediately neutralized, preventing further destruction. These coordinated actions demonstrate how patience and precision are crucial in managing highly mobile and potentially destructive wildlife. Later in the afternoon, the hunters advanced into denser forest areas where wild boars were sheltering. Small groups moved strategically to tighten the area and prevent escape. Rustling sounds in the undergrowth indicated the presence of multiple animals. Each shot was timed for accuracy, and the boars were systematically removed from the threat zone. Continued scanning of the forest revealed additional boars attempting to move through the undergrowth. Each animal that entered the line of sight was neutralized with a single, well-timed shot. This methodical approach minimized risk, controlled the population, and protected crops while maintaining safety for the hunters. Through these coordinated efforts, the hunting teams were able to manage the wild boar population effectively, reducing threats to agriculture and the local ecosystem, while ensuring humane and controlled removal of the animals.